two simple kitchen ingredients with powerful natural compounds. Most people see bay leaves and cloves as ordinary cooking ingredients. They sit quietly in the kitchen, adding aroma to rice, soups, tea, or curry. But behind that strong smell is something many people completely ignore. Both bay leaf and clove contain natural plant compounds that have been studied for their antioxidant and digestive supporting properties. When used together in a simple homemade drink, they may help support digestion, reduce heaviness after meals, improve freshness in the mouth, and provide comforting warmth to the body, especially during colder days or after eating oily food. This is not a miracle cure, and it does not replace medical treatment. But many people are now returning to traditional kitchen remedies because they prefer simple habits that may gently support the body over time. And one of the easiest combinations is this: bay leaf and clove. So, what actually happens when these two ingredients are combined the right way? Let's explore why bay leaf and clove are getting attention again. Modern lifestyles have changed the way many people eat. Heavy meals, processed foods, sugary drinks, irregular sleep, and stress can leave the body feeling sluggish. Many people complain about bloating, tiredness after meals, uncomfortable digestion, or constant cravings for tea and sugar. Traditional kitchens often used warming herbs and spices to support comfort after eating. Bay leaves and cloves were commonly added not only for flavor, but also because people believed they helped the body feel lighter and more balanced. Today, science has started studying some of these traditional ingredients more closely. Bay leaves contain plant compounds such as polyphenol and essential oils. Cloves contain a natural compound called eugenol, which is widely known for its strong aroma and antioxidant properties. Together, they create a warm, fragrant drink that many people use as part of a calming daily routine. What may happen in the body when you drink bay leaf and clove water? It may help support digestion. One of the most common reasons people drink bay leaf and clove tea is digestive comfort. After heavy meals, many people experience bloating, fullness, gas, or a slow feeling in the stomach. Warm herbal drinks are often used to support digestion naturally, and this combination may help the stomach feel calmer and lighter. Clove has traditionally been used in many cultures after meals because of its warming effect. Bay leaf is also commonly added to foods to support smoother digestion. Many people report feeling less heaviness when this drink is used consistently in moderation. It may help the body feel warm and relaxed. The natural aroma of cloves creates a warming sensation in the body. Bay leaf also produces a calming herbal fragrance. Together, they can create a soothing nighttime or evening drink, especially during colder weather or after stressful days. Some people enjoy drinking it before bed because warm herbal beverages may help create a more relaxing routine. It may help freshen the mouth naturally. Clove has long been associated with oral freshness. In many traditional practices, people even chew cloves after meals because of their strong natural scent. The drink may help leave the mouth feeling cleaner and fresher, especially after spicy or oily foods. This is one reason cloves are often found in traditional herbal mouth preparations and tooth care mixtures. It may provide antioxidant support. Both bay leaves and cloves contain antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by daily lifestyle factors such as pollution, stress, poor eating habits, and lack of sleep. Cloves are especially known for having a high antioxidant content compared to many other spices. That does not mean this drink can cure disease, but including antioxidant-rich foods and spices as part of a balanced lifestyle may support overall wellness. It may help reduce the heavy feeling after oily meals. Many people use this drink after eating fried foods, meat-heavy meals, or rich dinners. Warm herbal water may help the body feel lighter afterward. The comforting warmth and aroma may also encourage slower relaxation after eating. This is why some families traditionally serve spice-based teas after dinner instead of sugary desserts or cold drinks. How to make bay leaf and clove water at home. Simple homemade recipe. You do not need expensive ingredients or complicated preparation. Ingredients: 2 dried bay leaves, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 cups of water. Optional: small cinnamon stick, few drops of lemon juice, tiny amount of honey after cooling slightly. Preparation method: add the water to a small pot. Place the bay leaves and cloves into the water and let it boil gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. After boiling, allow the mixture to sit for another 2 minutes so the natural aroma can spread into the water. Strain it into a cup and drink warm. The flavor is naturally strong and aromatic, so there is no need to add too much sweetener. The best time to drink it: after heavy meals. This is one of the most popular times people use it. Many people prefer drinking a warm cup after lunch or dinner because it may help reduce the sluggish feeling that comes after oily or heavy food. In the evening, the warming nature of the drink makes it suitable for a calming evening routine. Some people replace sugary tea or late-night snacks with herbal drinks like this to support a lighter nighttime habit. During cold weather, warm spice-based drinks are often comforting during colder seasons. The aroma alone can make the body feel relaxed and cozy. Important things to remember: more is not always better. Because cloves are strong, this drink should be used in moderation. Using excessive cloves daily may irritate some people's stomachs. Simple and moderate use is usually the best approach. Pregnant women and certain medical conditions. People with medical conditions, stomach sensitivity, blood-thinning medication use, or pregnancy should consult a healthcare professional before regularly using concentrated herbal drinks. Natural does not always mean suitable for everyone. This is a supportive habit, not a medical cure. One of the biggest mistakes online is turning simple kitchen ingredients into miracle cures. Bay leaf and clove water cannot cure serious diseases overnight. But healthy daily habits, including balanced food, hydration, movement, sleep, and moderate use of natural ingredients, may support the body over time. That is the realistic and responsible approach. Small daily habits matter more than viral health trends. Many people search for one magical ingredient that changes everything instantly. But the body usually responds to consistency, not hype. A simple homemade drink, healthier meals, better sleep, less sugar, more movement, and lower stress often make a bigger long-term difference than expensive trends. Bay leaf and clove water is not about instant transformation. It is about creating small supportive habits that fit naturally into daily life. And sometimes, those small habits quietly become the ones that matter most. Bay leaf and clove may look simple, but together they create a warm and comforting herbal drink that many people enjoy for digestive support, freshness, and relaxation. It is inexpensive, easy to prepare, and rooted in traditional kitchen wisdom that has existed for generations. No miracles. No overnight promises. Just simple ingredients used carefully and consistently. Sometimes the most powerful wellness habits are already sitting quietly in the kitchen.